Hi guys, here's a great tool hack which works for me, might work for you. When I want to lift my drain cover, I can do it with a hammer. A few caveats which I'll tell you about in a moment, so you don't end up squashing your feet. You can just hook the hammer underneath the lifting bits, like so. Show you from the other side. And then, with a bit of a jiggle, there you go, up comes the drain cover, and you can carry it around with the hammer. Okay, here are the caveats. Keep this well away from your feet, because this isn't designed for lifting drain covers, obviously. That could break, these things could break, it could slip off, and you don't want your drain cover landing on your feet. But if you take care, and you don't lift drain covers very often, then you might find using a hammer is a lot easier than using your fingers, which, it's all dirty and horrible. Wish I hadn't done that now. Thanks for watching.